Installing Appleton Group Lighting Controls by Emerson. Appleton Group Lighting Controls by Emerson is a new approach to smart lighting technologies that allows for a group of dimmable LED luminaires to be controlled by an Appleton Connected luminaire. The smart lighting features allow you to optimize lighting operations and reduce power consumption in your facility. This video will cover software commissioning, electrical installation, and examples of group lighting controls in action. Software commissioning of connected luminaire. On the workbench, commission the Appleton Connected LED luminaire to the desired control mode with either an Emerson AMS Trex communicator handheld field device, an Emerson AMS Device Manager Suite, or an Emerson AMS Device Configurator PC software with HART USB modem. An additional option is to program the wireless HART link and join keys to enable the Appleton Connected luminaire to join a wireless HART gateway in the installation location. Installation of group lighting controls. Up to 10 Appleton dimmable LED luminaires can be connected on a single electrical circuit by daisy-chaining them on a single electrical cable run of no more than 60 meters or 200 feet. All luminaires should meet the hazardous and harsh industrial environment certifications for the installed location. Confirm the power is disconnected prior to making the electrical connections. Install the luminaire securely. Feed the supply and dimming wires through the conduit entry in the luminaire. With the wire strippers, remove the wire insulation and expose the individual conductors to bare wire. Connect the line, neutral, and ground conductors to the appropriate luminaire connections per the instruction manual. For luminaires with mounting hoods, hang the dimmable luminaire housing on the mounting hood hinge and secure it with the hinge pin. Continue the wiring process for the dimming leads. Those connection points are identified as dim positive and dim negative. To daisy chain additional luminaires, connect the next fixture's wires to the same connection point. Some luminaires require a ground connection. Connect the internal housing bond wire to the green ground screw. Refer to the instruction manual. To avoid pinching the wires, fold all the excess supply leads and fasten them with the supplied wire tie. Close up the luminaire and secure the wiring compartment. Once installation is complete, the power can be re-energized to the electrical circuit. The Appleton Group lighting controls are now active and ready for use. For further insights into the lighting system, utilize Emerson's PlantWeb Insight Connected lighting application to monitor and analyze the lighting performance against the facility's energy-saving goals. Easily change the lighting group's operating mode inside the application instead of taking down the luminaire for modification. To learn more about Appleton Group Lighting Controls by Emerson, visit our website. Emerson is committed to meeting your lighting needs, both today and into the future.